Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a business plan. First, understand that a business plan is a living document, not just a one-time task. It acts as your company's blueprint, guiding every decision from launch to expansion. A solid plan helps you clarify your vision, set achievable goals, and navigate potential challenges. It's crucial for securing investments and aligning your team towards common objectives. Let's dive into the core sections. Begin with an executive summary, a concise overview of your entire plan, ideally 1 to 2 pages. Next, clearly describe your company, including its legal structure and mission. Then, conduct thorough market research to understand your customers and competitors. Outline your marketing and sales strategies, explaining how you will reach your target audience. Finally, introduce your management team and their expertise. Financial projections are vital for demonstrating viability. Start with a sales forecast, estimating revenue for the next 3 to 5 years. Then, create a profit and loss statement, detailing expected income and expenses to show profitability. A cash flow statement is essential for tracking the actual movement of money, ensuring you have enough liquidity. Finally, a balance sheet provides a snapshot of your company's financial health at a specific point in time, summarizing assets, liabilities, and equity. A business plan isn't static. It's a dynamic tool. Regularly review and update it, perhaps every 6 months or annually, to reflect new market conditions or business achievements. Set clear, measurable goals and track your progress against them. Be flexible and ready to adapt your strategies as your business evolves or new opportunities arise. Your plan should serve as a living guide, helping you make informed decisions and steer your company towards long-term success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.